Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free!
You will find the bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To change the bulbs on the full beams and the side lights, remove the cover. To replace the H4 bulb on the high and dipped beams, take the black power terminal and pull on it. To unscrew the bulb, you must simultaneously push inwards and pull to the right. This will free the hook from the holding spur. Then remove the bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting the bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then push the metal clips back up. Reattach the connector. Put the rubber cover back on. To replace the side light bulb, remove the cover on the radiator grille side. Take the black tab and pull on it. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Put the new one into the plastic base, then insert the whole thing into the headlight. Put the rubber cover back on. To replace the indicator bulb, give the bulb connector a quarter turn anti-clockwise. This will allow you to take the whole thing out. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Operation completed.